Precious Heavenly Father, you are truly a mighty and awesome and a wonderful God. And we are so grateful for the life that you give to us. And Father, as we've gathered here in the midst of your creation, we marvel at what you have done. And we give you honor and glory. And Father, we're especially grateful today for Hillary and Matthew and their lives. As you have formed them, you've brought them to this place. And they have committed to honor you by entering into a holy marriage relationship, a relationship that you've ordained, that you've prepared them for this day. Father, now guide and direct us through this day. Some people sometimes question me. In the movies, they always say, I do. And they say at the beginning, why do you ask them to say, I will? Well, there's a difference. To do is an action. Will is a choice. And to say, I will means you choose it, you want it, you desire it. And so to specifically choose love and faithfulness. And that is what dictates your action. Matthew, will you today enter into a marriage covenant with Hillary as your wife, according to God's holy ordinance? Will you pledge your loyalty to her, promise to love, honor, comfort, and keep her in health and in sickness? Hillary, will you now enter into marriage covenant with Matthew as your husband, according to God's holy ordinance? And will you pledge your loyalty to him and promise to love, honor, comfort, and keep him in health and in sickness, in prosperity and adversity? And will you remain faithful to her? And will you remain faithful to him as long as you both live? If so, answer, I will.
I will. I will.
Just a man on a wire, hanging up here. They call me crazy, but I'm beginning to change a lonely world. So breathe a little more. I feel at home. I'm on the top of the world, and I finally see what we could be. That now
Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of man and God. Matthew and Hillary, you can seal your marriage union with a kiss.